Okay, so मेरा नाम सौरभ है. I'm 23 years old, hailing from the beautiful city of Shillong, Meghalaya. And yeah, I sing, I rap. Did I had to pay or have any connections with the team? Let's be honest. हेलो नमस्ते वरकम, माय नेम इज सौरभ एंड वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल गाइस. सो आज की जो ब्लॉग है वो है रोडीज रेवोल्यूशन के बारे में. सो लेट मी जस्ट कम अहेड. इफ यू फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम यू नो कि मैंने दिस टाइम रोडीज रेवोल्यूशन का ऑडिशन दिया था एंड आई मेड इट टिल द टीवी राउंड एंड आई वाज जज्ड बाय the team leaders. So yeah guys, मुझे पता है कि a lot of you actually want to be on the show and have been a crazy fan always for this show. A lot of you, not all, but yeah, a lot of you are. So this video is for those people who actually think they want to come for this show and they want to make a name in this show. तो आज के इस वीडियो में मैं बताने वाला हूँ answers to those questions जो आपके माइंड में हमेशा होते हैं before giving an audition. For example, like क्या ये मेकिंग है, क्या हमें पैसे देने पड़ते हैं या फिर क्या हमें कुछ अलग करना पड़ता है. So in this video I'm going to be answering you all the questions that might help you for clearing your roadies auditions for the next season. So let's start the video. So the first question is that how long I have been trying for roadies. So मैं पिछली बार Real Heroes में ऑडिशन में था पुणे में. जब मैं मुंबई ट्रिप से I just between of my Mumbai trip I got to know that auditions are happening and I just rushed to Pune and then I gave my auditions. Yeah, I couldn't clear it though, but yeah, at least I gave a try and the experience was somewhat okay because बहुत सारा problems हो रहा था and traveling की वजह से I didn't feel really good for that particular audition. So it was really tough and yeah, I couldn't give my best that day. So yeah, it's okay. So let's get to the next question, guys. So the next question is, how was the process? To be honest, this was one of the smoothest auditions I've ever given. Because of this corona, or it really boomed this online audition thing, and then it really helped me a lot. ये जो online auditions का फंडा था, I just saw in TV that they are actually having auditions online for Roadies Revolution. So I was like, okay, because after I gave my Real Heroes auditions, I was really not happy with my performance and also the way the audition was taken. It wasn't that properly done. I felt that. I don't know about others, but मेरे को ऐसा feel हुआ. But yeah, this time it was really smooth and everything went really perfect. So online auditions are really good, guys. So people who are from outside and want to give auditions, online auditions, ज़रूर try कीजिए. It's really helpful. It might really take you from here to here. So the next question is, did I had to pay or have any connections with the team? Let's be honest. No, I had zero connections. I'm from Shillong, Meghalaya. It's like northeastern part. I have no connection with the team, no anybody. I didn't have to pay a single rupee. The only thing I had to invest for this audition was my time and the hard work which I had to show near them. That's it. I particularly believe that this corona thing has really affected the show in some way. Now they are able to take auditions from anywhere and it really is helpful for those people जिनके सपने बड़े. They don't have money to travel probably. उनके पास financial problems है या फिर कुछ भी. It will really help and I hope this continues. Roadies का जो auditions हो, online में भी हो and offline में भी हो. Offline for the people who are staying there and online for the people who are staying really far and don't have that much of financial support. How did I feel about the judges? I know a lot of people might be asking me because after that thing happened with Neha Dhupia. But in my particular audition, Neha Dhupia nahi thi. There were only 3 people. That was Prince Narula, and then Nikhil Chinnappa and Varun Sood. So these are the 3 people who took my auditions, and they tried to make me feel very comfortable. But deep inside, I was really scared because of all the thing I have seen on TV for the previous seasons. That's the main thing, guys. So don't be scared if you're giving online auditions in the near future, because it's gonna be really good. So let's get to the next question. That is, so the next question is, will I try again for the show or any other reality show? So I just want to say, let's keep it a secret, guys, because I might or I might not. It depends upon time and कैसे चलता है सब कुछ, and then we'll know. And अगर कुछ करता हूँ, I'm surely telling you guys, because you are my family and you're the one who really support me through this YouTube thing. So you're gonna be one of the few who will know it before. So yeah, let's get to the final question. So what are my final thoughts for my auditions? Personally, I believe that I'm really happy that I at least made it to the TV round, and being from this part of the country, it's really difficult to present yourself in national televisions, and that too in that great level. Nonetheless, that's the most important thing, that you need to be happy and you need to be satisfied for what you have done. And I feel I have done a lot for now, and I have a long way to go and a lot of milestones to reach. So yeah, let's get to the final thing, that is tips. So here are my final tips for the people who actually want to try for roadies next year, for the next season. Yeah. So guys, the first tip would be real, guys. Don't fake it. Second tip, just be honest with what you do, because at the end of the day, they check your Facebook, your Instagram, most probably anything that is publicly available about you. So you gotta be honest with them, because they know how to read your body language and all, and that's the main thing. You have to be true to them and to yourself. And for what purpose are you going? It must be genuine from here, from the bottom of your heart. It must be a genuine reason or a genuine plan. That's the main thing. That's what it matters. And you have to be really fit. Fit as in, you might have to do some tasks for the audition, so you gotta be fit for that too. So with that being said, I'm gonna end this video right now, right here, and I have a lot of interesting vlogs coming up. कल भी मैं shoot करूँगा एक vlog, and it's gonna be really fun. I tell you guys. आज का vlog यही तक है, and I know बैठे बैठे ही पूरा vlog complete हो गया आज का. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah, and if you did, do give a thumbs up and do share this video. And if you didn't like this video, give it a thumbs down. I'm gonna take it sportingly. And do join in the family by subscribing the channel, guys, because I need your love and support to grow, guys. So yeah, till then, bye bye, take care, stay safe, share love, Jai Hind, see ya.